Hello, in this video I'll show you how to use the plugin after its latest update, because Twitter had an API update and it changed some functionality, so I also had to update the plugin. So starting from now, you will need to follow these steps to automatically post to Twitter. So first of all, let's copy the app ID and app secret, these two, and paste them to the plugin. Save settings. You will get these after you create an app. App creation is the same as before. After this, you go to post to Twitter and copy the URL that the plugin gives to you and paste it to the website part, and the callback URL, copy it and paste it here. After this, update settings. When you've done all this, you click authorize and you will have access to Twitter automatic posting. So this is all. You must remember that the website and the callback URL must be entered exactly as the plugin tells you. Okay, this is all of the changes made. I hope you will enjoy the plugin. Bye bye.